Hey guys.
What's up?
How's it going?
I'm Kaylee.
I'm Albert. So today's video is going to be all about kind of our last video a little bit. Well, no, just a little bit, like literally a minute of it. And then mostly about what we're doing now. We just started running ads for 30 days, right?
Yes, so we're going to do 30 days of ads at $2 this time.
So last time we made a video, I don't remember what we were running it for, 7 days, $30 a day or something. What was it?
25.
$25 a day, which we thought was going to be like really cool and like make us a lot of money. But it really didn't do anything. We kind of broke even. I think we had 4 sales from the whole time that we were doing it. And it wasn't really like anything exciting. Plus it was summertime for us and we vend a lot in the summer for our business. So we kind of forgot about to make a follow-up video. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. But like I was saying, the results were very minimal.
Yeah, wasn't anything exciting.
Yeah. So,
and I can't really pinpoint the results either. So.
Yeah, and because since we forgot about it, we didn't like pay attention to it or anything. But I guess while we were doing that, someone commented on our last video saying we should try running ads for
30 days.
30 days.
To make it consistent.
Yeah, and so we decided to do that now. We're running for 30 days, but we're doing how much a day?
$2.
$2 a day, which isn't very much, but how long have we been running it for?
3 days.
And we already had 2 sales?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 sales from it. So one of the things was purchased, I mean, unless it takes a while to update, I don't know if it takes a day or two to like update the stats, but it says it didn't even come from our ad. So I don't know if they like clicked on the ad and then browsed to the page and then just ended up, I don't know what happened, but we did have 2 sales so far, and that is while we're running this ad. So, I mean, I'm just gonna count it, say that the ad definitely helped on that one. So we'll definitely, because now we're gonna try to like really focus on this channel. We have another channel, and that's kind of why we forgot about this one, but it's confusing because I'm doing my own thing and then we try to put in our business stuff in that. So now we're just making this all about business and lifestyle vlogging, stuff like that. So most of the vlogs that we're gonna be doing on this channel are gonna be related to like the business and like what we do in our life to like make this business, you know, a
successful.
thing. Or successful, yeah, thank you. We also bought a van for our business, but we're turning it into like a conversion van because like it helps us save money instead of like staying at hotels. Wow, so all of that is going to be on this channel, and so we're definitely going to focus on it. That's the whole point of me saying all that, is we're definitely going to be focusing on this channel a lot more, and we're going to make follow-up videos, at least 2 videos a week. Not 2 follow-up videos, but 1 being a follow-up video to the ad thing or the business, and then 1 being a vlog probably. But we're just going to try to bring you good content basically, so I can't promise that it'll be 2 a week basically, is what I'm trying to say.
We're excited.
But we're excited about it. So next week we're going to do a follow-up just to see if we've had any more sales. I'm not going to wait the whole month to make a follow-up video. I'm going to update this video every week, let you know the stats. So whatever we have for now, I'll try to do a screen grab and put it in this video. So if there is any, they'll be right here right now. Yeah, we're excited. We're moving forward on that.
So if you guys want to follow along on the journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell so that way you always know when we upload.
Exactly. And if you have any questions about like anything specific that we can try to research about our last ad run, we'll try to figure it out for you. But like we said earlier, there wasn't a lot of information about it. It says we had 4 sales out of like 50,000 people that viewed our store, and yeah, that's just kind of where we're at on that. So if you have any questions about that or this new thing we're doing, please leave those down below. Also, if you're still here at the end of the video, I want to give like one little tip to help your store. At least we think it helps our store. So one thing we did, well, like I said earlier, we're vendors, so we go out to California, we drive from Arizona every other weekend pretty much, and we stay there for as long as we can. We vend on the beach, and that's pretty much what we do for a job, and it does really well for us. And one thing we found out to help boost our online sales is linking our Square. We use Square for our register. We're linking that to our Etsy store, so every time we make a sale on the beach, it says that we're making a sale on Etsy. And obviously, if it says you have over 1,000 sales, you're gonna look like you're a better store. So
people will be more likely to buy from you.
Yeah, they're more likely to buy from you. So that's a little tip that if you are using Square and you're vending and you didn't know about that option, definitely link that to your store so that your store looks like it's constantly making sales, because it's not like you're lying because you are on the beach making sales. People do actually like your stuff. It just kind of helps show that you're a credible business as well. So
just a little booster tip for you.
Yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys are excited as we are to make this journey and, you know, following on. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.